How to call Flipkart customer care. Many times it happens with us that we want to call Flipkart customer care and we start searching for the mobile number on internet, and when we search on internet we find many numbers, and from there you maybe get a victim of fraud. Yes, they can steal money of yours and they can ask you OTP and they can clean your bank account. So how you can be safe? Today we're gonna let you know that how you can call to Flipkart customer care. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Let's begin the video. What do you have to do? First of all, watch this video. I'm gonna let you know what you have to do. You have to go to the Flipkart, and after that go to the account, go to the help center. From the help center, what you have to do, you have to choose the order which about which you want to talk. Click on that, and after a few seconds you will see options that is chat with us. Click on that chat with us, and when you click on chat with us, they will start chatting with you. From there are a lot of options, but you have to write down over here, call me, please call me. When you click on call me, they will start annoying you, but don't follow them and keep on asking, call me, call me, call me. And after that, at last they will ask you to request a call. Click on that, choose a language, and after that they will ask you about choose mobile number. You have to choose the mobile number, and after choosing the mobile number you will receive call on your phone, and you have to answer that, and that's it. That's the solution of your problem. They will already call you from a number and they will ask you about the detail. They will call you instantly after few 1-2 hours, or after that. Don't care with that. Never give OTP to them. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Hope you understood that how you can call customer care of Flipkart. Bye bye for now.